Hi guys! Welcome to our MoneyExp YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will talk about top 5 best paid survey sites. So make sure to watch the full video. There are dozens of market research companies recruiting new members to fill out online surveys for cash and rewards. But be careful, many survey sites aren't legit and never pay out. We've used, reviewed, and ranked 5 of the best paid survey sites that will pay you for your opinions. Every site has a limited number of paid surveys each month. To make money doing surveys and earn more rewards, join as many online survey panels as possible. We share more tips at the end. 1. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie allows you to earn money by taking surveys and sharing your browsing behavior. As you answer surveys, you will accumulate points. Within your dashboard, you can see exactly how much the points are worth in dollars. You can redeem your points for cash via PayPal or gift cards. The only downside is that you will need to wait until you accumulate 500 points to cash out at the $5 mark. 2. Marketagent. Who are they? Marketagent boasts more than 2 million users worldwide. Rewards: PayPal cash or gift cards. Amount per survey: £10 to £3.60. Minimum reward threshold: £10. Our review: Marketagent is a decent online survey site. They have a high amount of surveys due to their large user base. It takes around 15 minutes to complete each survey. 3. MyPoints. MyPoints offers opportunities to answer surveys for money. Additionally, the company offers bonus point opportunities for shopping at particular retailers. As you build up points, you can redeem them for cash or gift cards. One of the first offers you'll see from MyPoints is a $10 welcome bonus. However, the fine print can get dicey. You'll need to spend $20 within 30 days to access the $10 welcome bonus. 4. Inboxdollars. Inboxdollars will reward you with cash for watching videos, playing games, reading emails, taking surveys, and shopping at selected stores. What makes Inboxdollars stand out is that you don't need to work out a complicated point conversion system in your head. You simply earn cash for each survey you take. The majority of the surveys available through Inboxdollars range from 50 cents to $5. But some surveys will reward as high as $10 to $20. In general, plan to spend 2 to 25 minutes on a survey. To get the ball rolling, you can unlock a $5 bonus once you confirm your email. You'll be able to cash out via PayPal, check, or a wide range of gift cards. 5. LifePoints. Who are they? 2 very popular survey sites, MySurvey and Global Test Market, have merged to form LifePoints. Rewards: PayPal payments, Amazon, and High Street vouchers. Amount per survey: £1. Minimum reward threshold: 550 points, £5. Our review: we got lots of paid surveys sent from LifePoints. They tend to be pretty relevant by matching your profile and interests. The average survey takes about 15 minutes to complete and gives you 100 points, so you could earn around £3 to £5 per hour. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.